video I want to show you how to make clean, transparent logos. With this method your edges will look smooth and professional. First of all, you have to open an image with a white background. Now select the whole frame. You also have to copy the image into your clipboard. Continue with creating a new layer in the bottom right. Proceed with painting the background black with the paint bucket tool. Now add a mask to your layer in the bottom right. Hold the Alt key and click on the mask. Continue with pasting your image onto the layer. Proceed with inverting the image now. Finally, make the background transparent by clicking on the layer first and then on the mask. As this method makes your image black and white, you can add some color now. The checkered pattern means that this particular area is transparent. Lastly, save the image as a high-quality PNG file.